And ready. Emily.
No!
She's hiding because she has like no makeup on and she doesn't really need it.
Whatever.
Yeah, I've seen that.
Oh. What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? Look at her. She's hiding behind the pillow. Oh well. We just got back from the rock store and we ate some chicken fries.
Chicken fries, ew.
Chicken and fries!
Oh.
Now my tummy hurts.
I know, I'm full.
My head hurts.
Mine does too.
It's been hurting since.
Does it hurt worse?
Ow! Did you see that monkey?
Yeah, it's right there.
Thanks. You're a bear.
A bamboo.
A bamboo.
Are you using your thing?
Dang it! Ow, mama! Ow, something stabbed me.
Shake it like you're on the place.
Feather pillow stabbed me.
Why don't you get your poppers and use that now? Nothing, I don't even know. I love you!
No. She did it. She did it. Okay. Well, what else should I tell? What was the thing we were going to say to everybody?
Was it convincing?
Was it convincing?
And scene.
And scene.
And scene! It's turn off. And scene.
Oh! And